Breaking news coming in. Hearing underway in Aryan Khan's bail plea. NCB arguing against Aryan's bail. NCB says we are responsible organization. They further go on to say that the entire nation is concerned about drug abuse. That is the NCB's arguments in court against Aryan Khan's bail plea. They've gone ahead and said that they are a responsible organization and the entire nation is concerned about drug abuse. They also say that day in and day out rave parties are being organized. That's the latest coming in at the moment. The ASG said that this is a responsible agency and the entire nation is concerned about drug abuse. A lot of people are affected and day in and day out rave parties are being organized. Consumption of drugs by youngsters and college students. It's not just affecting economic matters, but otherwise the entire nation and society is being affected. ASG further goes on to say it is not just about one person's consumption. We have to reach the gang that is operating. It is difficult to believe that someone is invited and does not know where is the invitation. The contention is that the accused was invited and did not know what is at the party. That is the latest coming in at the moment after Aryan Khan's lawyer, defense lawyer Amit Desai concluded his 1.5 hours of arguments in court. The hearing now is underway where the ASG is going on to say that it's not just about one person's consumption. They have to reach the entire gang that is operating day in and day out. There are rave parties that are being organized. Further going on to say it is difficult to believe that when someone is being invited and does not know where is the invitation. He goes on to say the contention is that the accused was invited and in this case accused happens to be Aryan Khan and did not know what the party is about. So that's the latest coming in at the moment. Do remember that it was an hour and a half of argument put forth by Aryan's defense lawyer Desai. He wrapped up his argument after showing some citations. Aryan's defense lawyer had also said that the law has to be reformative, but this is not the way to do it by keeping them behind bars. Aryan's defense lawyer had also said that they are not drug peddlers and they suffered, they've learned their lessons and they've suffered enough. In fact, we're getting in more information coming in. The ASG says this is not a case where somebody says that I'm only an invitee and that I'm only a consumer. Therefore, to go to the very root of the matter, we say conspiracy. It is not that on the day of the arrest, we knew it was conspiracy. Second remand, we did say 29. There are 20 arrested. These are drug peddlers as well, and the communication is also there by Khan and Merchant with drug peddlers. So they are submitting the communication perhaps between Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant that they had with drug peddlers. Saurabh Akhtania is joining us from outside the courtroom at the moment where these arguments are underway at the moment. Saurabh, put this into perspective. Amit Desai appearing for Aryan Khan made some compelling arguments and now the ASG is going on to argue right there, going on to say that I'm going to show you WhatsApp chats. There is reference for bulk quantity. Bulk quantity cannot be for personal consumption. Then there are other chats which I do not want to say openly in court. There are chats with foreign nationals where there was a reference to hard drugs as well. What's going on right there? Saurabh.
So, Cheti, very interesting things going on inside the court. First of all, it was a very clear strategy by the advocates of all the three arrested accused. One, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha. First of all, Aryan Khan's lawyer, Amit Desai, spoke for around 1.5 hours. Then for 10 to 15 minutes, Munmun Dhamecha's lawyer spoke. And then Arbaz Merchant spoke for only 5 to 10 minutes. Now, interestingly, individually, all the advocates pointed out that this is not a huge conspiracy has been put forth by the NCB officials. They clearly said that this is an individual case. First of all, in the Aryan case, they are saying that no possession of drugs was found from Aryan Khan. There was no cash found from him. He was invited just a day prior. He did not even had a ticket. Now, the WhatsApp chats which they are talking about, those are very old. These are not relevant to this whole case. Even if the drugs was found from Arbaz Merchant, this cannot be established that they have been connected. What Arbaz Merchant lawyer said that only a possession consumption drug of around 6 grams was found, which was for the personal consumption. The charges for this, the for 1 year punishment is for the such consumption of drugs. For Munmun Dhamecha, she clearly mentioned in the court that she is a fashion model. She does not even know Aryan or Azbaz. The person who actually brought her to this particular cruise ship is not arrested by the NCB official. Also, the drugs which is found from
the point is, Saurabh, the point is, Saurabh, that the ASG is saying that I'm going to show you WhatsApp chats where there is reference for bulk quantity. But are the WhatsApp chats even allowed to be presented as evidence in court?
Well, that's the important point, because mere WhatsApp chats are not admissible. Even in earlier Riya Chakravarti case, only WhatsApp chats were put in for the arresting of the accused. Here, what the ASG is saying that no, we are establishing, and through WhatsApp chats we want to prove you that there is a huge conspiracy, there is connection. Let me tell you, Chaiti, all the arguments of the arrested accused, the advocate's argument of the arrested accused points out two things.
Yep.
One, that all the arrested accused have no connection. Second is that they have no conspiracy. It is just an individual case and therefore they should be granted bail. But what NCB officials are now arguing, there is very interesting thing which happened, Chaiti. After the arguments of all the accused got over, NCB advocate ASG Anil Singh got up. He said that I need 1 day time to reply. To which the court said, you start your reply now. If you take more time, we'll continue it for tomorrow. ASG is saying that I need at least 1 hour time, and I will go on replying to their argument for tomorrow also. To which they are saying, you continue tomorrow, there is no problem, but you start your arguments today itself. To which the NCB advocate ASG Anil Singh is clearly saying that there is a conspiracy, there are drug peddlers which are arrested, there is a WhatsApp chat, there is whole lot of connection between each other, and therefore you cannot say that Aryan Khan unknowingly went to this particular drugs party. He should be knowing that how this whole party was organizing. He's had his close friends with them.